Hi, this is an introduction to the PADDYVis and the PADDYVis VisPlus from Webdeersign. They're both designed to hide or show content above or below a breakpoint. The PADDYVis has one breakpoint, and this is the PADDYVis. It's laid out in the easiest way possible, both to see on the page and to understand as you're using it. So here we have two boxes. In the top box, the text here says any content below will display at screen sizes greater than 900. 900 is the breakpoint, and it's set down here. Below it, any content will display at screen sizes at or less than 900. So you adjust the breakpoint, and basically anything above you put in this box, anything below that breakpoint you put down here. So let's have a quick look at that. It's very straightforward. You've probably seen this many times, but what this is about is ease of use and ease of layout. So once we get down, let's change the size of the width. Oops. Let's change the width of the screen. Now, ignore what's on the side of RapidWeaver. RapidWeaver doesn't give you the accurate size there. So once we get to 900, we get to the one in the top box. Once we go below it, we get the other one. Very straightforward. Now, if we go back, I'm going to now introduce the PADDYVis Plus. The PADDYVis Plus it's very similar, but I'm just going to put it up here into this red area. It's very similar, but it's got three. So here we have in the settings a high breakpoint and then a low breakpoint. I've set the high one to 1000, the lower one to 800, and this is set up exactly as it says here. What's in this box gets displayed above 1000. What's in this box here gets displayed between 800 and 1000, and then this box down here at 800 or less. So if we have a look at that, it'll be pretty obvious what's going on. But a three-way hide, show, visibility type of stack is incredibly useful. So here we come. We're over 1000. We're now less than 1000. We're now going to get to 900. So the PADDYVis has shown its second content box. And now once we come down, we're now below 800, and we're in the final one. So we've actually got quite a few events going on there. Now, I've put content in all these boxes. You don't have to populate anything. If you just want to show something between the breakpoints, put something in here, leave this one and that one empty. So it's very powerful, and it's easier to understand it in this way than having to go into the settings and find out when it's going to show, when it's going to hide, whether it's above or whether it's below. It can be quite complicated. So when we talk about ease of use, this is what we're talking about. There's a logical layout here. There's plain simple English here that you can understand, and you can understand what's going to happen at the breakpoint. So if we look at the PADDYVis here, it says the content will display at screen sizes greater than 900. So at 900, this box here will not display. This box will display because it says at screen sizes at or less than 900. So there's no easier way of explaining exactly what's going to happen there. Now we talk about modular concept. This is exactly what we're going to demonstrate now. I can now drop another PADDYVis or multiple PADDYVises into a PADDYVis Plus. So you can build up quite complicated logic, which would be very difficult to create in a normal stack. I think it's probably impossible actually to create that in a normal stack. So here we have another one. So this is going to show above 1000. This is going to show above, between 1000 and 900. Then we're going to see this one here below 900 and 800, and then we're going to see this one. So let's have a look what's there. So we've got a complex logical operation built up there. It's just displayed in the simplest way possible, and I think it is about as easy as it possibly can be for anybody to understand. So we come down above 1000. Once we go under 1000, now we're looking at the PADDYVis, and as soon as we get to under 900, we're going to see the second part of the PADDYVis, and once we go under 800, we're going to see the PADDYVis Plus. So there we are, simple demonstration, hugely powerful, yet easy to understand and easy to go back in the future when you haven't seen this for 6 months and understand what on earth you were doing here at the time. Okay, if you have any questions, email them in webdesign.com.